Alright. What is it? Crewton Ramone's House of Math.com. There you go. And who did you bring today? She brought Lola and Oprah.
That's not Oprah, that's
Oprah.
No.
And blonde Oprah. Oprah went in and got herself a do. She went in there and she went into the place and got her hair all fried and turned yellow. It was funny. I was in Mexico City.
That's John.
John. Okay, it's not Oprah anymore. It's John. You can name him anything you want. And this is Ruby. And look at everybody else that came.
This is
the trio. Oh no, wait, not a trio. The four doggies. Yeah. The quads of dogs. Yeah. And a couple more dogs.
This
and some turtles.
Angels,
and some cats.
Angel Crystal. Turtleback. Leatherback. And Gracie and Grace.
Gracie and Grace, they're all going to help us do math today.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what's the idea? The idea is to have fun with it.
Yep.
Alright, so last time we did a lot of algebra, right?
Yep.
And so do you want to do algebra today?
Little algebra, then our city.
You want to build a city again?
Yeah.
You want to build a math town? Okay, that'll be fun. And definitely we just enjoy, right?
Having fun.
Enjoy having fun, because I like this student a lot because we don't have to study for a test or work out of a book or something like that. We just learn math. Play whatever happens to be. It's all one language, so whatever happens to tickle our fancy in that day is what we do. But we do some things the same all the time. One of those things, of course, is building tens using two hands. Right? There's eights, and wait, there's nines, and there's eights. Right now she's working on sevens. Look at that, two hands. Excellent. So there's no real trick to it. We just play math and have a good time. And it's fun. And the more fun you can make it, the more math you'll learn, and the faster it'll go by, because you learn more in an hour. Okay, so we'll have more in a second as we do more exercises. But right now we're just building all of them, all the addends under 10, and then in a second we're going to build the addends over 10, and play algebra.
Do I have to do my 5?
Yes, do them all the way down to 2. Okay, so now we're playing, and we're just asking questions on the stuff that we've already done, right? So, this question was, I had 9 chairs set up, 3 friends are already there, how many more friends can fit? Or how many more friends can come? So 3 plus what makes 9? 6. Right? Okay, and all these guys are helping us do some of this math. But mostly we use the blocks to figure it out. Okay, so basically all we're doing is drilling for skills on these so that we know our addends, right? Because addends makes math fun and easy. Okay.
I'm drinking delicious tea.
Delicious, delicious tea. I make tea with yerba mate and vitamin C crystals and a little bit of ginger and of course some honey. And it's a hot day, so it's nice and refreshing. Okay, so we have. I want to build a 10. 10? Yeah. In fact, you know what? 10's having a party.
Whee.
10's having a party, and
two people showed up.
Okay, 2 wants to go. How many more can come? Or who does 2 have to bring?
2 has to bring
to make 10. If she's thinking about it, just put a block in there. You can't be wrong. Just see if it fits. Oh, too much. Perfect. So 2 plus how many makes 10?
8.
Yes. 2 is looking for 8. 8 is looking for 2 all the time. And together, when they get together, they're happy and they make 10. Now, up to the parents and whoever the teachers are to make word problems out of these. What are you counting?
By 2s.
You're counting by 2s? Oh! Now that we have 2 sets of 2, right?
Yeah.
Just for fun. And because this is a new skill she's mastering. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Right?
You never catch a 4.
Oh, and then there's, yeah, well, then we have to do 4s.
Eating peanuts or drinking punch.
There you go.
You never catch.
Should we build some 4s?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you are going to do in just a second after we do the 4s. Ooh, okay. Go, go, go. Do it. 4, 8.
4, 8. 12.
12. 16. And there's here, trying to remember. 20.
20.
Let's see, we have the 2 things going on. One is not just rote memorization, but we have the music, which is a fun way to learn anything, is with songs.
Never catch a 4 out to the ones. Eating peanuts or drinking punch.
You never catch 4.
But they do plenty.
All 4s do is
tell you how many.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20. All 4s do is tell you how many. 24, 28, 32, 36. 4s count for you. Oops, and then there's 40. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, good. See if you can do it.
Everybody calm down.
Everybody calm. Everybody's calm. We're all calm. Yay! There it is. Oh, and we're adding another 4. And that 4 comes with 2 2s. Wait, so how many 4s do we have now? Let's count them. There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 4s. How many is 12 4s? Well, let's count them by 4s then. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. That's easy. Then what? 44, 48. Very cool. 12 4s is 48.
Yes.
Okay, and all the pattern is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Because then it just repeats, right? 24, 28, instead of 12, it's 32, 36, 40. Oh, look, right? And then we're going to count over again, 44, 48. We could just keep counting by 4s.
Okay.
And what's the most fun? Knocking it over, of course. Doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl, knocking it over is the most fun.
Okay.
Okay, practice the multiplication
4.
on your own time. Let's do some more. Let's do some other stuff.
Okay, hold on.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to build bigger addends now. You're going to build me 11s and 12s and 13s. Have we done that before?
No.
Let's do that. Okay.
Yay.
Yay. So, all we're going to do is set it up, so we got to build. Here we go.
Building my city.
Alright. Wait, before we get to that, before we go total play, which we still learn a lot, we still got to do a few exercises. So there's 11, see it?
Yes.
And then let's get this
There was
over
11
here.
turtles.
Now,
A turtle can
we
be
start
100 pounds.
Yeah, turtles can get big.
So, I'll put
Okay, so I start with a 9. What has to go there?
2.
The turtle's watching you build it. There you go.
What
You
does
can grab me an 8 and use 2 hands, miss.
Grab me a...
Need an 8 next. What's going to fit in there? Okay, and then we're just going to build all the atoms. One at a time. And we can make it more fun by building walls or completing cities. But for right now, we're just getting the patterning done so we know what we're doing.
Yeah,
Right.
We're doing the blueprints, right?
Yes, kind of like a blueprint. Okay, 2 hands, 2 hands, use 2 hands. Why? Because we want both sides of your brain engaged.
What?
Yes! This side of your brain controls that hand, and this side of your brain controls that hand. So we want both sides of your brain working simultaneously while we're doing the math. Get the whole thing activated. Okay, so... Oops, how are you going to build... That's it, we just need 2, right? Okay, so then what would happen? Then I would take 6, and oh, we've already got a 6.
Yeah.
Right? So we're done with that. Because the combinations are the same. So rather than be redundant. Okay, so there you go. There's one set of numbers.
There's the team.
Yep, so it's brewing right there in the background. Slowly but surely, we're mixing together the honey and the vitamin C and the ginger. And actually, you know what I did? I put in that one?
What?
A couple of scoops of strawberry jam. Organic strawberry jam. Not the kind that's full of chemicals and corn syrup solids and stuff. Do you know what the ingredients in that thing are?
What?
Strawberries. Pectin. Cane.
Ew.
Oh, cane sugar. Well, actually cane juice. Organic cane juice is what they always put. But it's sugar cane. But anyway, 3 ingredients. No preservatives, no anything. Because actually the cane juice acts as a preservative. Anyway, so that one's going to be even more delicious because it's got the ginger and the strawberry and everything in there.
I'm gonna...
Okay, so can you build me some 12s, please? Build me 12s.
12?
Uh-oh. 12.
I think... Oh no, that was the marker.
Yeah.
Like, I think something glasses was broke.
Alright. No. Oh, okay.
That was a piece.
Yeah, don't worry. Bunny's down there taking care of it. Okay, so, let's see. Build me 12s, please.
Yeah.
Start with 9.
9?
Start with 9? Always start with 9. That's an 8. Start with 9.
I always think 9s are brown.
Well, you're getting there. Wait a minute, we're building 12s.
You don't.
What's gonna fit there? Okay, so 9 and 3, 12. Grab me an 8, and what are you gonna grab with your 8? Use that hand over there. And what are you gonna grab with your 8? Oh, see? Then you put it in the other hand. There you go. Excellent. Alright, so then what? Think ahead. 7 and what? Is going to make my 12. There you go. Look at that. 2 hands. Awesome.
How long is that video?
I now have the ability to make long videos.
Awesome.
Yes. So people can see what we actually do in here. But anyway, we'll stop for the moment because it's pretty obvious what we're going to do, right? We're going to build all the way out to 18?
Yeah, we're going to build a city.
Okay, but first we're going to build these, and then we're going to have playtime where we do some algebra and build a city. Okay.
Yeah.
So, pretty fun. Okay, we're just continuing on. So what we have here are the different combinations, and like I said, we could turn these into walls and houses and buildings and stuff, but for right now we're just getting used to it. And look, how many combinations there? 4. How many combinations for 12? 4. How many combinations for 13?
4.
4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, if you count 13 and 0, that'd be one combination, you're right. But if we're just using these combinations, 1, 2, 3. That's it, there's only 3 combinations for 13. Alright, and look. Why am I doing this? This is for the parents more than for you, or for the teachers. Here we have 13. Now I have 14. And I put this here, why? Because there's this thing called control of error. You put them in a situation in the beginning where they absolutely can't fail. Say you can't go long, you can't go short. You know exactly. I need to build 14. Now again, think in advance a little bit. Grab yourself a 9 with one hand. What do you need in the other hand to make 14? A little crossover there. There you go. Okay, so then we're going to build 14s and 15s and 16s and so on. Anything hard about this?
Nah.
Nah, nothing hard about this at all. And again, no symbols yet. We're going to come up with symbols soon. But for now, we're just playing with blocks, and then the symbols will absolutely make sense when we say that 14 equals 9 plus 5, etc.
Please.
Alright, and we've got a couple of kids helping out. Okay. Okay, so we're getting to the point now where we can see not very many combinations at all anymore, huh? So when we got to 15, we were down to 2 combinations.
I can't.
And when we get down to 16, we only have 2 combinations.
I can't.
And then at 17, we're down to 1 combination. 9 and 8, or 8 and 9.
What?
Right? That's it. 9 plus 8, 8 plus 9. Because if you try to do another one, what are you going to wind up with? 9 and 8. So there's only 1 combination for 17.
Look at this. It's like 1,000 or something.
Oh, we should count that. That'd be a fun thing to do.
What?
Yeah, we could count it. Alright, so how many are we going to put here? The next one is 17, so the next one is 18.
18? No.
18.
There's no 18.
18. So what are the only combination I can have for 18? 9. And what? I see it over here. That's it. We built all 45 Addends, and that took about half an hour. Right? There we go. Now what do we have to do? Then what we would do is start testing. Right? Because this is not going to be the first time or the last time you build Addends with me. But what we'll do, right, until we get mastery and we know them and they're easy, is you know, test a little bit. So here's some simple stuff. Look, we got 16. The kitty is over there on 16, right? 16 plus what? What is this cat going to be on to make 16? 9 plus what is 16?
9 plus 7 is 16.
There you go. How about if we move up here? And I have 15. So 15, she's on the 7. 7 and what will make... Wait a minute, what am I doing? 13, sorry.
13 is...
7 plus what is 13?
6.
There you go. And so on. We're gonna quiz all of them, and we'll get boring if we're watching it. But I mean, we'll just keep doing it and building them. And then later on, like I said, we can build walls. And later on, we can do other stuff. And also, we need to, of course, get out your pencil and paper and start writing down some of these combinations.
Algebra.
And then, you want to do algebra?
Yeah, then our village.
Okay. I don't know if we're gonna have time for the village,
Yeah.
but for sure we'll have time for some algebra. What would you rather do, the algebra or the village?
Village.
Okay.
Last time I
Last time we did algebra and no village. Okay. So let's do
the village.
the village. Let's make a math village. We're gonna. Okay. We'll just have a fun time and see what happens. Okay. Let's do 2 quick things.
Yep.
We gotta quiz a little bit more on this.
Okay.
And then it's time to build a village.
What is
Okay. And notice how building the village is actually doing math, but it's the reward for doing the work, right? Okay.
I don't know.
All right, so we haven't had enough practice, but that's what we use the math bag for, so you can't see. Right? So here, okay, take it off real quick. All right, so 7 plus what is 14? Look over here. Now that you can see.
7 plus what is 14? Ah.
What is it?
It's 7 plus is
Can you point
7?
to it? Yeah. Point to it.
7
There you
plus
go.
7
Is?
14.
There you go. Done. See?
Look.
All right, so can't use the blank too early, but you didn't know what one was, so we had to bring one up. But once you, right, because this is one of the first times you've ever built these, right?
Yeah.
Like this. Okay, so you got to get comfortable with it first and play a little bit more before we start doing that kind of stuff.
Village.
All right. Okay, we have a lovely mess going on, but we're starting to organize some chaos out of it. So here we have a zoo going on, where we have cages being built with 2s and 3s and 4s, and then we're also building this. Where what are we doing? Making 10s.
10. Yeah.
So, quick, show the people what you need to do. What do I need to put on these guys to make a 10? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bar across the top when I'm done.
That's what I was gonna do.
Well, first, before you do that, build all the 10s underneath.
Can't fit it.
Well, try. Be careful. Now, if you put the 10, is that going to make
11.
a 10? That's 11. So what do we have to put with that one to make a 10? What's 1 always want to be? 10. What does he need to be 1? Or excuse me, what does he need to be 10? What does 1 want to be?
9?
Yes. So grab a 9, stick it on there. Okay.
What's 3 wants to be 10? What's 2 wants to be 10 is 7.
2?
Yeah.
Does 7 go with 2?
No.
What does 7 go with? There you go. Oh, look, and they're the same height. Right? And then, oh, there you got the 8.
And then, what does 4 mean? Let's say 4 makes 6.
There you go.
I'll say
What does 5 need? 5 needs a twin if he's gonna be 10.
I can't get him in.
Okay, be careful.
Oh, hold on.
See, and notice how at this age the fine motor skills are very well developed. When we have little kids try to do this, little kids, they always knock it over and have a hard time because they can't fit them in there.
I'm dyslexia.
And dyslexia? What?
I have dyslexic.
Yeah, you have dyslexic. Yeah, it's whatever.
I'm dyslexic.
That could be true.
Well, it is true.
Okay, what else? See, and again, we have control of error, self-correcting. Technically, I don't need to be here. Oh, wait, what are you going to put in there? Is that going to make a 10?
2.
Oh, you're going to put 2 1s? Because you don't want to take any more out of your cage over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a show.
Uh-oh. See? Alright, what's left? We got that one on the end. What about the one on the end? That 9 over there is lonely.
Done.
Excellent.
Okay, this is a show where they have shows.
Okay, so that's like a stage?
Yeah.
Okay, so you get Lola and Oprah.
Oprah? No!
And,
Okay.
wait, and... Oh, they're going to be in the audience. So Lola's doing the singing?
No, they're not going to sing.
What are they going to do? She's doing dog training? Yay!
Yeah.
Okay. They're doing a balancing dog trick. And the audience is flabbergasted. Look at that. They've fallen over in surprise and shock. Oh, you almost knocked it over.
It's tilted.
Kind of cool looking.
Let's keep it like that.
Okay. That'll be fun too. Alright, so let's do some other stuff too.
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
make some...
What?
What do you want to make?
Let's play some towers with 6s. Let's learn to count by 6s.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. Do we have any animals left?
We've got lots of animals left.
2.
Okay. Put the turtles over there, the 3s, because 3s are kind of like 6s, right? Can you count by 3s?
3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27,
30.
30. Now, get some 6s and build those.
These are going to be our 6s.
Okay.
One of these are going to be in the 6s.
Okay. So here's a bunch of 6s.
This
Right
is
there.
hers puppies. That's her puppies.
Okay. Good.
It's a family.
Alright. So build me some 6, quick, the 6 tower.
6 towers.
We're going to count it as we go.
How?
Should we build it right here?
Yeah. Hold on.
Okay.
Maka.
Oh, we're making a road to go there. Alright. Excellent.
That's a little too small, but okay.
It'll fit, it'll work. You can make it work.
That's the dog cage.
Alright, give me the marker. Cap the pen and give me the marker. Excellent.
Drop down on my hands.
Okay.
In the gift shop.
Alright. So build me a 6 gift shop. Oh, you're just gonna build it like that? It's not gonna go up? No, wait, we gotta, as we build, we gotta count.
I forgot.
6, 12, 18, what's this?
20,
24, 30. And then it starts over again. 36, 12, oh, but it's 42, right? 42. We need some more 6s.
You have one more left.
Oh, we're gonna have to pull them out of here.
What?
Yes.
It's leaning tower.
Leaning tower of sixes. Oh, okay, we could use all of those, then we could count them for sure. Where are we going to put that?
Be
Be real comfortable.
Yeah. Everybody
Alrighty.
hold their breath.
Alright, we're holding our breath.
Oh dear.
Good job.
Oh
It
dear.
works. It's working.
Push that in.
Okay, so now we really got to count. We got lots to count. We got behind. We're going to put that in afterwards? Wow.
And I need another 6.
We're going to have to rate it from this. It's the only one. Or we could use, what could we could build another 6 using what?
3.
Okay, we could use 3s. We could use 5 and 1. We could use 4 and 2.
We can't
We could use, what else could we use? We could
I
use
would
the 6
just
out of
use
there.
the 3s.
Okay.
Hold on, we need them. The
turtles are going to escape.
Use the sucky pen.
What do you, turtles can swim. They're not afraid of water. If you put some water there, they don't care.
Black.
Okay, wait. We got to get back to counting 6s. You put a date on the... Okay, sure. Alright. So, let's count these 6s. 6, 12. Oh, it's all coming down!
Hurry, fix it.
You try and fix it. Hell, that didn't get fixed very well. Okay, but now we got extra 6s. Yay!
Maybe we should make our stage a little different.
Okay, maybe we should count 6s and then we'll come back to making our stage. So come over here.
What?
And count with me. Oh, uh-oh. Man, we got 6s galore now. Okay.
My
6,
mom's dying. My mom's
12.
here.
Excellent. 6, 12, 18, 24. Count with me.
6,
Here.
12,
Count. 6,
12.
12. Watch out. 6, 12, 18, 24. Then what?
30.
30. Good. 36. Then what?
36.
42.
42.
48.
48.
Then what? 54.
54.
60.
60.
Okay, let's do it again.
36, 9.
Well, we're counting. That's 3s. We're counting by 6s now.
6.
6. We could see it's the same thing, right? Look. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You do it.
3, 6, 9.
Move the block though as you go.
3.
Start over here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18,
21,
21, 24, 7, 30.
30.
What comes after 30 if you add 3 more?
4.
Really? 30 and 3 more would be 34?
I got my pretty face.
So 33, and then what? 3 more. 36. We're counting by 6s. Or we're counting by 3s, which is just like counting by 6s. Let's count by 6s already. Right. Count after me. 6, 12, 18, 24, and what?
26.
We're 24 and 6 more, 30.
36.
Then 36. Then 42.
42. And 40.
What's 2 and 6?
2 and 6 is...
Let's do it. 2
2
and 6 is the same thing as what? Look over here. What do we have? What's going to fit there? We built these before. There you go. You're right. 8. There it is. Okay, so if I have 42 and 6 more, I get 48.
Yes.
And then 54.
Yeah.
And then what? What's 4 wanna be?
46.
What's 4 wanna be?
10.
What does it need to be 10? 6. So 54. And then the 4 is all happy because he gets his 10. They get to make 10. So 54 and 6 more is 60.
Awesome.
And that's right here. 60.
60.
See it?
6.
60. Okay, so you just gotta practice more of those. And then, see, and that's why algebra is more fun than just doing this, because you learn all that stuff while you're doing algebra. Oh wait, and here, let's do cleanup, because it's time to go. Clean up, because we've got blocks everywhere. You can tell we've been playing math today, that's for sure. And we never did get our town built very well today.
There's my grandma.
There you go. Wait, here. Oh wait, this is what I want. I want the quick testimonial. Does this kid beg for algebra?
This kid begs for algebra.
There you go. All right, Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com for more. .com. All right.